What's up, folks? It's another edition of Working in Public. Okay, today I'm going to be doing my sales page, and I'm going to keep it real stupid simple because I do not want to spend a lot of time on a sales page for a $45 product. Let's see. The previous Work in Public session, I showed you the ebook and the repurposing the content. Nope, that was the previous one before that. I believe it was filming the thank you page, and I did the thank you page. It's great. Let me show you it. Okay. Oops, listening to some music. So one thing I really don't like about filming videos is I listen to music all day. Often I listen to one song all day long. Right now, I'm listening to Everybody Breaks by Ivan and Alyosha. I just found them on my Spotify Discover Weekly. And when I film videos, I can't listen to music, and it's so boring. Anyway, here's my screen. Can you see it? Yep, here we go. Here's the thank you page in Teachable. It looks like this. You can rearrange the page and add a whole bunch of stuff. But here, I did what I said I'd do. Here's the thank you video that we shot yesterday together, which was really special of you and I. Then there's an upsell offer for the annual membership of the mastermind. Cool. And no confirm shaming. So this is the confirm shaming thing I said I was going to tell you about, but I didn't. I'm going to tell you today. Accept invitation and join the mastermind is the accept the offer button. So I want to be very clear. And then to decline, I just say no thanks, just the course today. If I wanted to confirm shame, I would do something like this. No thanks. I like struggling as a freelancer with no accountability. It's like pretty much what people do. I don't like it. So I'm going to go back to what, no thanks, just the course today. It's just like, don't be a jerk. So here's the page. Looks like this. You purchased the pricing playbook for freelancers. Oh man, that URL is a little gnarly. I wish I could change it. Couldn't. Anyway, congrats. You made a smart decision. Welcome aboard. Please watch the video before proceeding. It's a 1.5 minute video. I trimmed it up a little bit, tightened up some of the ums and ahs, took out a couple things, and I added just a simple little show, don't tell exercise. So instead of just saying like, hey, I got a really great mastermind with lots of cool people and we talk about stuff and it's fun. It sounds so boring, but when you show them, then it's more interesting. So watch. Showing you the ebook. And then I show the mastermind, watch. And I go through like what it actually looks like and how active it is and how cool it is and how you really want to be a part of it. And then you can accept the invitation for $99 a year or just say no thanks, just the course today. So that's the thank you page. So it's a potential for someone to buy the welcome offer and then an upsell to potentially give them something that they really want. And the benefits would be for them, they get like access to a really great accountability community, support from me, extra training and workshops, networking, referrals for $99 a year. And the benefit for me is that I get an additional uptick in revenue from this new customer. And then I have an opportunity to really go above and beyond for them and make them kind of a fan for life. And that's like what we should be doing as business owners, is make our customers really, really appreciate what we do for them. Okay. So that's that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work through the sales page because it's time. I was going to use the convert kit. I considered just creating a quick convert kit like product where you can buy the product, buy the ebook, and then just going the ebook route. But I think I still want to go the course that we worked on here, give them the ebook as an extra for free, and sell it through Teachable rather than selling it as just a PDF. So that's what I'm going to do. So here's the sales page template. All right, so this is just the default Teachable thing. I've only added a headline. Then I thought, oh, I should probably work in public and share this. So I was doing it quietly in my like cave by myself. But then I thought, oh, let's let other people in on this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just start working on it, and I might talk through it. I might just not talk, and you can just watch me work. So I'm gonna fix the banner here, change the image. The image I've been using a lot lately is, where is it? Course images. Here we go. This blank background image. It's just kind of part of the style and the brand that I'm going for, and I don't want it to be so full opacity, so I want it to be black and like more opacity, just so it's in the background. Okay, there we go. That's about as much design as I'm going to do. The rest of the CSS I already did in my Teachable site, so it all kind of fits within the website branding. It's just this area that I want it to be like impactful, show my face, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. So going back here to the content, the price. Okay, so your headline here, this is just basic. You could do whatever you want. I could say pricing playbook for freelancers. Kind of boring. I think that I might go the a bit more of an interesting headline that captures the attention, kind of more resonates with the emotions of the person I want to buy the thing, which is the freelancer, the web designer who's not really charging enough money for their services, and therefore don't get good clients. They're overworked. They're buried in service debt, which means they get clients, but like they don't charge enough. And so they got all this work they got to do for like a pretty low pay, and it's kind of a lousy situation. And I was just on a call with a coaching client earlier today, and I asked him, you know, he wanted to grow his business, his web design business, and he wanted to grow, you know, like double. And so I asked, what would happen if your business doubled overnight? And the reaction almost always was, that would suck. Because they're charging too low, they're buried in trying to fulfill on their services, and they're doing all these random mishmash of things. And it would just be too much. And then they need to hire another person to help them, and then that would eat into their profits. And so it's like, if your profits are like, let's say you're making in profit $1,000 a month. And so if you doubled your business, then your profits should be $2,000 a month. But most of these web designers, if they double their business, it's going to be too much work to fulfill, and they won't be able to keep up with it. So they need to hire somebody to help them. And now they're still at $1,000 a month in profits. And so now they're working harder for the same amount of money. Kind of sucks. So that's the whole point of value pricing, increasing your rate, finding a target market to really serve, and to be specific in what you're solving. And so instead of just saying the pricing playbook for freelancers, what does that even mean? But when I say, and this might be the wrong headline, but I'm going to just start with it. I'm going to work with it right now. Your price is too high, your clients. So it's like a quote that your clients say. I might change that. Maybe that doesn't land. Maybe if any of you got some feedback and think like, oh, you should do this instead, then I'd be cool with some of your thoughts as well. But the idea is like, when you have bad clients, they don't like your price and they want you to, you know, charge less. And so I want to resonate with that kind of experience for the common freelancer, the common web designer who has clients. And so, yeah, that's why I'm going this way. So let me just work through this. Stop distracting me. Your price is too high. Your clients. Is that clear? Should it say like, your price is too high? XO, your client. I don't know. Maybe that's good. Maybe that's cheeky. I don't know. I like it. Maybe it's terrible. Who knows? Let me know what you think. And then I can say down here is, if you're still charging hourly rates, working with bad clients who, if you're still charging hourly rates and working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise. What should I say here? If you're still charging hourly rates and working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise, what do I say? Your price is too high. XO your client. If you're still charging hourly rates and working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise, maybe I'll go a different route. Your price is too high. XO your client. Let me think about this. All right, maybe let's try this. Are you sick of working with low budget clients who don't pay you what you're worth? Or maybe, are you sick of working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise? Are you sick of working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise or pay you what you're worth? Okay, so we'll start with that. I'm gonna change this width to like 768. Nope. Back to the content. I'm not in screen here, I'm not in frame. Here we go. Are you sick of working with low budget clients? How about this? Are you sick of low budget clients? Can I maybe make this bigger? I just don't like the line length there. Maybe H4 just for, nope. Sick of working with low budget clients who buy our fees. I gotta fix this. All right, I'm actually gonna go a different direction with this. Are you still trading time for money? Feel like you're on, you're still trading time for money? Feel like you're on a hamster wheel and sick of working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise? Okay, so that's, I might change your price is too high. But I think still trading time for money, feel like you're on a hamster wheel and sick of working with low budget clients who don't value your expertise. I think that would resonate, I think. I think that's a good start. And then maybe what I'll do here is add another line. All right, so what I'm probably going to do here, it's time to stop charging hourly rates. It needs work, but I think this is a start, and I'm going to take the button out. And I'm going to leave this. I've got a lot of work to do here, so I need a, what I'm probably going to do is follow the formula for a sales page, but I want to keep it really simple, where I basically really resonate with the emotional part of the freelancer who's like struggling with charging low hourly rates, struggling with bad clients. It's like they're on that hamster wheel, trading time for money, and they don't really see a way out of it. They want to make more money, but if they double their business or if they get more clients, like they can't handle it, but they need more money, so they're kind of stuck. The whole point of this page, I want it to be really, really simple, but really resonate with that, and then encourage them to purchase the pricing playbook. And so basically, I've worked on kind of the heading section here. Probably need some work, but we'll think about it. I might go the route of like, what if business doubled overnight? What would that look like? What would happen if your business doubled overnight? And then be like, it would be a nightmare, and explain why. Maybe I'll go that route. But the whole point of when you're creating something is just don't think too much. Like when you're writing, don't edit. Just be in creating mode and then edit after. So don't be afraid to like look like a Dumbo. And I'm just taking it one step further and showing people my process and probably look like a Dumbo. So, but that's cool. That's how this works. So I'm gonna be writing more copy here. I won't do it this moment because the video is already long enough. I'll do a couple testimonials from my current students. I have a couple students who've switched to value pricing and have a really couple nice things to say that they've given me permission to use. I've got the curriculum here, which is already queued up there, and I'll rewrite some of this. The pricing is going to be, it'll be $90. So I got to change this, and I'll take this as an ugly section. I'll fix all that up. I'll probably package it and I have like the $45 discount, and then maybe another option to like package it with maybe a call or package it with like the mastermind. So yeah, I got some thinking to do on there. I'll put some testimonials, and I don't need this featured product section, but for now, this is what we worked on. I'll save that in draft mode. It's saved, and we'll keep going from there on another thing. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully this was not totally boring, but just kind of initial process on creating the sales page for the product. All right. Cheers. That was the wrong end screen. How about this one?